Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve File Explorer is not returning any search results when searching in it. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to right click on taskbar. So dito sa ating taskbar ng ating computer ay kailangan mo na mag right click, and then sinik mo lang dito yung task manager, click mo lang yan. And then dito sa Task Manager, dito lang sa background process, so scroll down lang tayo at hanapin natin yung Windows Explorer, okay? And then ito na siya. So dito sa Windows Explorer, so kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung restart, so click mo lang siya. And so after natin mag-restart dito, so close lang natin itong Task Manager. And then dito lang sa Start menu, and then click mo lang to restart. If the error still persists, so ang next solution na gagawin natin ay dito lang sa search menu, and then type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator, and then if you receive user account control, and then click mo lang tong yes. So dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dsm /online /cleanup -image /restore route, and then copy lang natin yan, and then kailangan lang natin dito i-paste, and then press mo lang yung enter. Ayan, so pakikita mo dito na deployment image servicing and management tools. So kailangan lang natin na hintay na makomplete yung verifications or yung restorations into 100%. Okay, so makikita mo dito na the restore operations completed successfully, and the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung sfc /scan now. So one word yung /scan now, and then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification, phase of system scan. Kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete yung verifications into 100% ulit. Okay, so makikita mo dito na verifications 100% complete. So ang next step ay close lang natin itong CMD, and then dito lang sa start menu, kailangan mo na mag-restart para ma-fix yung problem. Yes, so ganoon lang po ka-simply on how to fix on Explorer search box not returning any results. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.